Hey there guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to get the old YouTube layout back. Thank God you can do it, because the new YouTube layout sucks balls, alright? Anyway, so as you can see I have my desktop here. I'm going to show you exactly, step by step, how to get the old layout back. Ready? Let's get into it. So obviously you want to open a Chrome, alright? You want to type in Chrome Web Store, okay? And you want to click on extensions. And then you want to type in something called Tamper Monkey. Now, for you guys who don't know what Tamper Monkey is, it's pretty much something where people can get scripts and it will allow certain people to alter websites to get it to certain people's liking. Like, for example, you could have one that has like a neon cat as the YouTube. You know how like on YouTube you watch a video and it has the little red bar? You can make it neon cat or whatever, stuff like that. Although I use stylish for stuff like that. Also, pretty good plugin. Either way, you want to add it to your Chrome or Monkey website, but it's on something called greasyfork.org. I'll put the link in the description. You want to click install. Greasy Fork, I forgot that sometimes you can, it's not just user scripts from Tamper Monkey, you can actually get user scripts from anywhere else. So, you want to click install, and when you watch a video, you'll notice, like for example, let me play one of my videos here, that it changes it back to the old layout. Now, if you're one of those dumb people who have been living under a rock and don't know what the layout is changed to, let me open an incognito tab. Oh, wait a minute, it might work. I think I actually allowed the thing to work in incognito, so let me open up a different browser. Either way, that's what it looks like before. I'll put them side by side to see if you can see it. Alright. This is before, on the left, and this is the new, on the right. I know. The one on the right is trash. Honestly, it seems like they just keep trying to hide the view count and stuff like that. I mean, there might as well not be a description at all. On mobile, it is really difficult to actually get to the description. Like, it's a pain. Like, it's like they're trying to get rid of it. Honestly, at this point, they might as well not have a description, and they might as well not have a view count, because you know what I mean? Like, it's stupid. Anyway, now that the ranting's over, that's how you get the proper description. However, I also want to share some other cool things that can make your YouTube experience, at least on desktop, better. I will be making a separate video on how to get the old layout back on Android. So, stay tuned for that. This is where I talk about Neon Cat and stuff like that. So as you can see, it says top style websites. You can click on YouTube. And, see, look at that. Neon Cat. Of course, they got some other interesting things you can make it look like. Looks like someone also made one on here, because dude, this is so much better. I'm also going to put this in the description as well. Yeah, I mean, you got other websites too. Like, it's not just this one. Like, I'll show you this one in action. If I click install style and then this one's instant sometimes, but as you can see, like, it's a little neon cat floating across my screen. Like, is that not pretty cool? X out of that. And yeah, guys, that's how to get the old YouTube layout back. I hope you found this video very informative. And yeah, like and subscribe. And share this if you thought it was helpful. Peace.